Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Compound interest is a concept in finance where the interest on an investment or loan is calculated not only on the initial principal amount but also on the accumulated interest from previous periods. To calculate compound interest in Python, you can use the formula A equals P, 1 plus R slash N, caret, and T, where A equals the future value of the investment slash loan. P equals the principal amount, initial investment slash loan amount. R equals annual interest rate, in decimal form. N equals number of times interest is compounded per year. T equals number of years the investment slash loan is held for. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to implement this calculation in Python with an example. 1. Define a function to calculate compound interest. 2. Call the function with the required inputs. In this example, the principal amount is $1,000. The annual interest rate is 5%, 0.05. The investment is held for 5 years. The interest is compounded quarterly, 4 times per year. When you run this code, it will calculate the compound interest and print the result. Feel free to modify the input values to calculate compound interest for different scenarios.